Informed Investor Podcast presents Apex Capital Pro Scam. Warning, why apexcapitalpro.ltd raises serious concerns for investors. Apex Capital Pro, apexcapitalpro.ltd, presents itself as an investment and cryptocurrency trading platform offering attractive returns and professional wealth-building opportunities. However, a closer examination reveals multiple warning signs that investors should carefully consider before depositing any funds. Concerns regarding transparency, website trust ratings, user complaints, and the platform's overall credibility have led many observers to question whether the company can be trusted. One of the most significant red flags is the lack of transparency regarding the people behind the operation. Publicly available information provides limited details about the company's ownership, management team, or physical business presence. The domain registration information is also hidden, making it difficult for investors to verify who is ultimately responsible for handling client funds. Transparency is a key characteristic of legitimate financial institutions, and its absence should be treated as a serious warning sign. Another concern involves the platform's online reputation. Several website trust analysis services have assigned low trust scores to Apex Capital Pro and identified factors commonly associated with high-risk investment websites. These include hidden ownership information, limited website history, low traffic levels, and the offering of cryptocurrency-related investment services, which are frequently targeted by fraudsters. User feedback also raises concerns. While a small number of positive reviews exist, there are also negative reports from individuals who claim they experienced financial losses after using the platform. Some reviewers have publicly described Apex Capital Pro as a scam and alleged that they were unable to recover their funds. Although individual complaints do not prove misconduct, they should not be ignored, particularly when dealing with financial services. The platform's promises and marketing approach may also warrant caution. Investment websites that emphasize significant profits while providing limited information about risks, regulatory oversight, and investment methodology can expose users to substantial financial danger. Legitimate investment firms are generally transparent about both the potential rewards and the risks associated with investing. Regulatory concerns represent another important issue. Investors should always verify whether a company is properly authorized and regulated by a recognized financial authority before sending money. The absence of clearly verifiable regulatory information can leave clients with little protection if disputes arise or withdrawals become problematic. Another warning sign is the relatively limited independent information available about the company's operations. Established financial firms typically maintain a long track record, widespread public presence, and substantial independent coverage. In contrast, Apex Capital Pro appears to have a relatively limited digital footprint, making it difficult for potential investors to conduct thorough due diligence. Cryptocurrency-based investment platforms deserve particular scrutiny because scammers frequently use digital assets to make transactions difficult to trace or reverse. Fraudulent investment schemes often rely on promises of high returns, fabricated account balances, and pressure to deposit additional funds. In many cases, victims only discover problems when attempting to withdraw their money. The combination of hidden ownership, trust score warnings, negative user experiences, limited transparency, and unanswered questions regarding regulation creates a concerning risk profile. While these factors alone do not definitively prove fraud, they are consistent with warning signs commonly associated with high-risk investment operations. The conclusion is clear. Apex Capital Pro displays multiple red flags that should cause investors to exercise extreme caution. Anyone considering investing through apexcapitalpro.ltd should thoroughly verify the company's regulatory status, research independent reviews, and avoid sending funds until all concerns have been satisfactorily addressed. Warning: exercise extreme caution when dealing with apexcapitalpro.ltd. If you encounter withdrawal difficulties, requests for additional payments, unexpected fees, or pressure to invest larger amounts, stop sending money immediately and seek advice from your bank or payment provider. Investors should never risk funds they cannot afford to lose.